Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite Chinese takeout. Today we're making this fantastic chicken lo mein. So simple, so easy, yet so delicious. If you want to learn how to make it, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Leave me a like if you enjoy the recipe, and let's begin. Alright guys, these are the ingredients. I will leave them below as well as on the screen for you guys. I am using chicken, onion, celery, as well as some cabbage. Of course, you can use whatever vegetables that you do like on your chicken lo mein. To season my chicken, I am using onion powder, garlic powder, pepper. We have some cornstarch, oyster sauce, and also we have some carrots. Here I have minced garlic, green onions, soy sauce, and for today's recipe I'm using spaghetti because I didn't have any lo mein. Okay, I couldn't find any at my store. So we're going to start by boiling our spaghetti. Yes, you can use spaghetti for those who might say, hey, this is not the authentic recipe. Well, I couldn't find the lo mein, so we're going to follow the direction on the box to cook the spaghetti. Once you're done, we're going to season our chicken. To season the chicken, I'm using my dry seasoning. Pour that on the chicken and as well as my cornstarch. Next, I am going to be adding my soy sauce, low sodium, and as well as my oyster sauce. I'm using half of that, save the rest for later. I'll be using the remaining of the oyster sauce later. So we're going to give that a quick stir. Once we're done, I'll show you guys what to do next. Once we're done with the chicken, we're going to cook the chicken. Now, this is what you're going to do. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto your skillet. Once it's nice and hot, you're going to add your chicken. Now, I was supposed to cook the chicken before the garlic. I don't know what happened. I added the garlic first. But add your chicken first to cook because you don't want to burn the garlic. So we're going to add the garlic. Just ignore that part because add it after. Now I'm adding the chicken in. You're going to cook the chicken until it's nice and golden brown on one side. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, I cut my chicken very thinly. Okay, so thinly slice your chicken. I'm using chicken breast. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So you're going to add your chicken right in there. Once one side is nice and cooked, it shouldn't take long to cook because the chicken is very thinly sliced. So you're going to flip it over and cook the other side. Of course, if you want to cook your chicken more, you can let it cook even more because this is chicken breast to not make it too dry. And it's very thinly sliced. So I went ahead and not overcook the chicken so it's not dry. Now my chicken is completely cooked. I am going to be cooking my veggies. I'm adding in the cabbage as well as the onion and of course the celery and the carrots as well. So we're going to cook the veggies until they're nice and tender and soft. Now you're going to toss everything together. Make sure they cook completely. You can cover this if you like, but I didn't. Now, that's what I like. I really like eating chicken lo mein. That's another way for me to actually eat veggies because the vegetables actually taste good when you actually mix it with chicken. So this is another way for me to eat veggies basically, and even my even kids, they can eat it as well because it's another way of eating vegetables. Kind of, you know, kids love noodles. Now I am going to be adding in my spaghetti. Now, like I said, I couldn't find the lo mein in my store, so I'm using spaghetti, and I am using thin spaghetti because that's what I like to eat. I don't like the other spaghetti, by the way. So we're going to stir that together, mix it all together. You can add some more soy sauce in there if you want, but I added more oyster sauce for more flavor. Me personally, I like my veggies where I can actually crunch on them. I don't like them super soft. And there you have it, this quick and easy chicken lo mein at home. This is restaurant quality, guys. You have to make it at home to actually taste it to see, wow, I've been wasting my money. You can make it yourself, guys. It's super easy and tastes very authentic. Try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. I make awesome, delicious recipes here almost every day. And also leave me a like, because what? This video definitely deserves a like. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.